Luna. Fatsulo watu pa ia man manu le tatao fia wa fa mo. Hey guys, can I get everyone to please take a seat?
I'm wearing a jumpsuit. I can't sit.
That's okay. You can jump onto that fella and take a seat. Shoes off. Thank you, sister.
Gosh.
Love your work.
This is against our human rights.
All right, talo falava everyone. My name is Fia Tangata Maoa Aitele, and I am here today to help you rediscover and reconnect with your identity as a proud Pacific human being.
Sup? I mean, Milo? Milo? I'm Maori and Palangi, so you know, Afakasi up. Okay. My dad's pretty much a Fia Palagi though. That's why he sent me to a school that has hardly any fobs, because I'll be the only one. Pick me in fish 15 straight away.
Talofa.
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 Ta.
Ta.
Lo.
Lo.
Fa.
Fa.
Talofa.
Talofa. My name is Karen, and well, my family is more Samoan. I'm more Kiwi. I'm very passionate about empowering and helping our Pacifica. Sorry. To stop being lazy and wasting money on things like church and family and boxes of animals. Maybe if you guys didn't eat so many animals, then, you know, you might fit into a jumpsuit like this.
Ko Wingoa, ko Philip Lapu. Really glad and happy to be here. And honestly, I think it would be really nice if, you know, we didn't have to wake up so early on Sunday morning. It'd be nice to have a bit of a sleep in, you know, have brunch on Mangere Bridge.
Oh gosh.
This to become a contemporary dancer and travel the world.
Yeah. Can we cut the camera sticks? If you want to pass this course, you're going to have to participate in all activities. We're going to slap the Fia Palagi out of us, okay? Yoga pants!